Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2003 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, stability control, remote power door locks, roof rack, running boards, rear wiper, universal remote transmitter, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.